We're going to lob a Coke can on the floor and it's going to explode. Oh!
It's not open fully.
Is that your one? That's your one. That's your one. Chuck one on the floor so it literally goes everywhere. Is that the new one?
Yeah. Can I drink this one after? I've got to wait until it stops.
Open it.
Right, this one's going to go absolutely...
Should I kick it?
But watch. Ready? New one.
Okay, go.
Rocking the cradle.
Rocking the cradle.
It's a bubble.
Look at it. I've dented.
And oh no, I just dropped it.
No.
Freak, you idiot.
What the hell? This one is as well. Ready? I've
got two drinks. That's finished.
I want to smash it. I want to smash it. Should I see if it explodes? They'll probably wreck the can.
It won't, it just stops.
They'll probably wreck the can. No. If it wrecks the can, I'll have to
My
pick the
other can.
Right, you got two now.